In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install a Chinese keyboard, or any other for that matter, and type Chinese on your computer. Okay, so you want to type Chinese on your computer. Well, to do that, the first step is to install the Chinese keyboard. Actually, this will work with any other language you want to try and type. On the left-hand corner in the Windows system, click the Windows mark. Next, you'll go up to the gear mark and click Settings. Here in Settings, we see Time and Language, and we'll click that. Now on the left side, we have the language. We click, and here we can see the languages installed. On this computer, we have English and the Japanese language pack. Press Add Preferred Language and scroll down to the language you want. For today's example, we'll use Chinese. There are several different types, but the safest one for our purposes is Chinese Simplified China. Click that and press Next. You can see there are various things you can install or not install, but we won't touch this. We'll just press Install. Now right here we can see it's installing the pack. This says in Chinese, Chinese, Simplified Chinese, China. You notice at the top here it says Windows Display Language. Here we could check Chinese or Japanese, but that would change all of your settings to Chinese, and you may not want to do that. So we won't touch this. Okay, now our package is almost installed, and there it says Language Pack Installed. We'll close the settings window. On the right hand corner down here, we can see a little mark here, and we press that. We can see we have the English United States keyboard, Japanese keyboard, and the Chinese keyboard, Microsoft Pin. I'll click that, and now we're in Chinese mode. Next to that mark below there, it's got a Chinese mark, and if you click that once, it switches back to the English mode. You can also do this with your Shift key. Now that we're in Chinese mode, we'll open up Word again. Here we typed Ni Hao, it was in English, now we're in Chinese, and let's try again. You can see also, when you type in the Pin, below it'll give you different choices of words because some Pin have several different characters. In this case, I said Ni Hao, and next, 我是美国人. I am American. And that's how you install the Chinese keyboard pack and type. You can also use this in any other application to type Chinese. Let's say you don't want to have the Chinese pack installed anymore, or because you installed it, something isn't working correctly. Just go in reverse the previous steps, click the Windows mark, click Settings, click Time and Language, and click Language again. You can see your installed language pack. Click that and just press Remove. As you can see, it's instantly gone. We close the setting windows, go back down here where it says English, and we can see that the Chinese language pack has disappeared, and we just have our English and original Japanese pack. If you select language preference, you can go back and do these steps as well. You can install any other language as well with these same steps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, ring on the bell for more videos about Chinese and other languages. 再见.